Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at WEMIX, currently trading for $0.79. WEMIX right now is pumping to the moon. Should we keep buying more right now? What's our pathway to a new all-time high? We have seen WEMIX go from as high as $24.76, dropping to as low as $0.36 in the bear market of 2022. WEMIX has lost more than 98% of its value, but right now, it's catching a bounce off the $0.34 level. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? Where will WEMIX find significant resistance if we keep pumping to new all-time highs? We'll also be looking at WEMIX performance against Bitcoin, WEMIX performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at WEMIX market cap charts. Currently, WEMIX has a market cap of over $190 million. How long will it take us to get above the $500 million, $1 billion region? Can WEMIX set new all-time high and get above the $3.1 billion region? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions and chart analysis, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, WEMIX is currently pumping 19.9% in the last one day. If we go on a weekly time frame, this altcoin is up 81.6% in the last 1 week. But on the monthly time frame, on a yearly time frame, WEMIX is still down really bad, down 44.5% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 year alone, this altcoin has lost more than 92% of its value. But that's not peculiar to WEMIX alone. That's normal for all coins in the bear market. Right now, we are going through the crypto bear market of 2022. WEMIX really pumped hard in the bull run of 2021. We saw this altcoin go from as low as $0.12, getting to as high as $24.3. In 150 days, WEMIX returned over 19,300% increase from the 21st of July 2021 to the 18th of November 2021. WEMIX went up 193x, which meant $1,000 invested in this altcoin in July 2021 would have returned over $193,000 by November. Altcoins are very, very volatile that way. Yes, they can pump well to the upside, but when the bear market comes around, they can dump well to gobbling town. And we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $24.3, dropping to as low as the $0.34 in the bear market. Now, when we start pumping to higher prices, what levels are we going to face significant resistance? What are the important levels for us to watch out for? The first level I'll be paying close attention to will be the worst case scenario that have happened for WEMIX right now in the bear market, which saw it drop into the $0.34 level. As we're dumping the bear market, we saw this altcoin lose around 94% of its value. We thought the bottom was in, but what happened is that WEMIX had one final dump to the downside that saw it go from $1.6 on the 18th of November to as low as $0.36. We saw it lose 77% of its value in around 7 days. But right now, I've caught a bounce off the lows. So as WEMIX continue pumping to the moon, another key level to pay close attention to will be what WEMIX price will be doing around that $1.44 level. If you take a look at what this altcoin has been doing around that $1.44 level, that has proven to be a very significant level. In April 2021, we got rejected off that level. As we're trying to pump to new all-time highs by September, we had some difficulties around the $1.44 level. Even in the bear market of 2022, we caught some bounces off that level, so I'll not be shocked to see WEMIX get rejected when we get back to the $1.44 level. If WEMIX pump above that $1.44 level, the next significant level to pay close attention to will be around the $2.9 level. If we start pumping above the $2.9 level, close attention should be paid to the $4.7 level. We might see WEMIX face heavy resistance at this level. This altcoin might not trade above this level till the end of the bear market. But guys, if you're going to be holding this altcoin for a long time, getting ready for the next bull run, right now in the bear market is where you're supposed to be making those huge moves. Yes, altcoins are down really bad in the last 1 year, including WEMIX. We've seen this altcoin lose 92% of its value. But guys, the millionaires in the next bull run are made right now in the bear market of 2022, because the altcoins that you buy that are down really bad are those altcoins that will be pumping to the moon by the end of the next bull run. From where WEMIX is currently trading around the $0.35 level, for us to go to the previous all-time high we set in November 2021, this altcoin we have to go up over 6,900%, which means $1,000 invested in WEMIX around the $0.35 level should return over $69,000 if we see it getting to the previous all-time high. Other key levels to pay attention to for WEMIX, if we keep pumping to new all-time highs, will be around Other key levels to pay attention for WEMIX, if we keep pumping to higher price, will be around the $11.6 region. And after that level, we'll be left to the previous all-time high we set in November 2021 of $24.3. And now to the million-dollar question: how high do we believe WEMIX will go by the end of the next bull run? Guys, we have to use the Fibonacci retracement tool for that. From the top that came in for WEMIX in November 2021 to the bottom that's coming for it in the bear market. If this altcoin doesn't go lower than the $0.34 level where we set in November 2022, WEMIX has the potential to get to as high as $100 by the end of the next bull run. From where we're currently trading right now, this altcoin we have to go up another 12,000% for us to get to that $100 region. Are you buying more WEMIX right now, or are you waiting for lower prices? Let's take a look at some details about WEMIX. In the last 1 year, this altcoin has gone from as high as $13.20 to as low as $0.34. With a market cap of $193 million, WEMIX has a fully diluted market cap of $825 million. Out of a total 1 million coins, we have over 244 million WEMIX coins in circulation. Currently ranked 216 on CoinMarketCap, over 44,000 people have WEMIX on their watch list. WEMIX3.0 Mainnet is an experience-based platform-driven and service-oriented mega ecosystem. The mainnet is a high-performance EVM-compatible open-source protocol powered by the SPoA, that's stake-based proof of authority consensus mechanism. WEMIX is the native token of the WEMIX mega ecosystem and used as a medium of exchange and payment method for gas fees. One WEMIX coin is minted by each subsequent block created, and PMR, permanent mining reward, is distributed respectively to NCP. That's 40% for stakers, 10% for EcoFund, and 25% maintenance. Where can you get some WEMIX if you want to get some to hold through the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Guys, you can get this altcoin on KuCoin, on BitTub, on Gate.io, on OKX, on Wobi, on Bybit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at WEMIX performance against Bitcoin, the bull run was a very nice time. We saw it outperform Bitcoin by a lot, going up more than 8,500% in 117 days. But what happened after that? We have seen it dump to gobbling down, losing more than 94% of its value against Bitcoin. For WEMIX to set new all-time highs against Bitcoin in the future, this altcoin will have to go up more than 814%. You think that's possible, guys? Let's take a look at WEMIX performance against Ethereum. We've seen it pump in the bull run. We've seen it outperform Ethereum. In just 111 days, WEMIX went up more than 7,400% against Ethereum. And usually in the bear market, a lot of people get scared. And when people get scared in crypto, they run towards Bitcoin, they run towards Ethereum. And we're seeing WEMIX dump really bad against Ethereum, losing more than 94% of its value in around 368 days. For WEMIX to set new all-time highs against Ethereum, for where we're currently trading this altcoin, we have to go up around 774%. If you take a look at WEMIX market cap, we have erased all the gains we made in the bull run. We saw the market cap drop to as low as $86 million. How long will it take us to go above that $600 million region? We saw WEMIX get rejected of that $600 million region on the 6th of November 2022. And what happened after that? We dumped to gobbling down. Key levels I've been paying attention to on the WEMIX market cap chart, around the $87 million region. That's where we bottomed in this bear market. If WEMIX doesn't go any lower than that, other key levels to pay close attention to will be what WEMIX market cap will be doing around the $200 million region. And how high I believe it will go by the end of the next bull run, we'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool for that. From the top that came in for WEMIX in November 2021 to the bottom that we've seen it get to in November 2022, this altcoin's market cap has the potential to get to as high as over $12 billion by the end of the next bull run. We've seen WEMIX market cap get to as high as $3 billion. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you think it's possible for it to get to the $12 billion region by the end of the next bull run? Are you buying more WEMIX right now, or are you waiting for lower prices? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7